Pieces here. Just a really quick video. I recently entered a contest, and it was a video to do an intro for Krexa Prime's Bionicle Resurrection intro, and I won it, and I got a prize, and yeah, I didn't record myself actually unboxing it because I was just too hyped. And as soon as I pulled all the stuff out and actually took off some of the tape, then I was like, you know what, maybe I should actually record this. So yeah, so I got a note from Krexa saying congrats, and I got the Protector of Stone, which is epic because I already have a custom Pohatu, so I'm probably going to customize him, NILKUU, to, yeah, be customized as well. So, yeah, that is epic. And I also got a bonus of 2 Kakamas, which is amazing since, like, I've never owned 2001 Kanohi before. But yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, I'm kind of blown away by this because, yeah, I mean, I thought that, like, my prize was gonna be something like, oh wait, actually then, yeah, it'll be shown in Super HD with special effects. But this, I mean, after a while I knew that I was gonna get this, but I sound ridiculous. But thanks. I'm going to do a quick speed build of this, and yeah. Alright, so I've built it, but remember that thing that I mentioned earlier? Well, of course you do, it was only a few seconds ago, although it was minutes for me because I built it and it took a long while, but still, I like to personalize it or customize it, and I like to do that with markers. No, I'm not going to ruin it. I'm not going to, like, paint over with permanent marker or anything. It'll wash off. But something I like doing with my masks is painting over them with marker to make them look more cinematic. I'll explain in these next few seconds. It doesn't look that impressive in front of the camera, but in my opinion it looks a little more, what's the word for it, realistic, I guess. Finished. It honestly doesn't look so good when I put it this way, but I'm going to show you a slideshow at the end of this video. So that's it. If you have any questions, go ahead in the comments below. I love your feedback, and a special thank you to Krexa Productions for sort of sponsoring this video, I guess. But yeah, I will see you next time.